hello. I'm Shonnie Alridge, your favorite real estate broker and appraiser in Atlanta, Georgia. And today we are in Henry County in the city of Locust Grove, visiting a beautiful DRB homes community called Flakes. So the home behind me is the Huffman. It's gorgeous, it's beautiful, it's spacious. Let's go inside and see what all the fuss is about. Let's go.
Welcome to Flakes, a DRB homes community located in the heart of the growing city of Locust Grove. The Huffman is a 1.5-story home with an upstairs bonus room or bedroom option. It is $456,689,000. It offers 3,216 square feet, 2-car garage, 3-bedroom or 4-bedroom option, 3.5 baths, and the HOA is $500 a year. Enjoy the tour.
Well, I certainly hope you enjoyed the tour of this lovely home. No, it's not a model home, but it is gorgeous. As you can see, it's extremely spacious, and it is perfect for someone who's retired and settling down. Now, I know you're thinking, wait a minute, normally the homes that we tour have a true 2-story home. Well, this one is not. This is a 1-story with a suite upstairs right here to my right. And it's perfect for hey, you have some guests that's going to stay overnight, or you have, you need space for an office or whatever. Whatever you want to do upstairs, you have it, because it's a room with a door that you can shut, a closet, and a full bathroom. So whatever you want to do upstairs. But you have this really large, spacious area downstairs. You have your 2-car garage. I mean, this home has really all of what you need, especially if you're thinking about retiring, or if you're saying, hey, we want a home that's more quaint, but it's tucked into a really nice community like Flakes. So listen, this home is absolutely stunning. You've already seen that. And I want you to remember that when you're talking about new construction, you don't want to go at it alone. You want to have representation. Consider me a resource. I've been in real estate for over 20 years. I'm a real estate broker and appraiser, so I'm skilled at valuations, and I'm really skilled at really representing you in your best interest. Okay, so without further ado, get in contact with me. My information is right here. You can call me, text me, email me. I will respond. You can also find me on Instagram, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel. Share, share, share. Click that notification button so that you are notified of every single video that I have releasing, which is weekly. So remember, when you talk about new construction, you don't want to go at it alone. If you're traveling here from out of state, so you're coming from California, Texas, Oklahoma, I don't know, the Carolinas, New York, and you're coming here to Georgia, you want to have someone to represent you. And I would love to assist you in your purchase here. So we'll talk to you soon, and we'll see you on the next video.